Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get free coins in DramaBox. Alright, let's begin. First, we need to download the version of DramaBox that gives us free coin balances for watching TV shows and movies. To start, go to your device settings. Click on Settings, then scroll down to General Settings and select Background App Refresh. Make sure to keep it on by choosing either Wi-Fi and cellular data or just Wi-Fi. Next, go back and find your battery settings. Turn off low power mode to ensure the app runs smoothly. After that, head over to your App Store settings and enable automatic downloads. Now, open any browser you prefer and type in yoplugin.com. Once you hit enter, you will be directed to a website with various applications. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to find DramaBox. Once you locate it, click on it and select Start Installation. After that, you will just need to complete some offers and install apps. Now, this method is free and very fast, and the installation process takes almost no time at all. So that's basically how you can get free coins in DramaBox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.